Okay, good morning class 10. Only 15 of 17 out of 50 have joined. So we will start the class after 2-3 minutes more. Okay, by that time you can ask your doubts.
Yes, sir.
Because after discussing the last question, today we will start the revision. Because from the 1st of October your exams are going to start. So this will be your last topic, only array. Till array everything is coming. Okay. Harshnath Jha has left the class. Half of the class has joined. So still wait for 2 minutes. Harshnath Jha. So 24 of you only joined till now. Good morning Archita beta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning beta. Shashwat Agrawal is there. Shashwat Singh is there. Shashwat Singh. Akshara Dubey. Good morning Akshara beta.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Beta, you can ask your doubts. Those who are having any type of doubt. Ayush Agrawal, any confusion?
So the last question, sir, can you please again explain?
Yes, definitely. That we will discuss better. Hana? Don't worry. Sarvagya.
Sir, can you explain that is letter and is white space?
But a white space is
letter
used to.
and is white space.
Yes. Is see if in any function if there is a if it is starting with is letter is, that means that function is returning boolean value and it is going to check. So is letter means whether the character is alphabet or not, A to Z, small and capital both, and is white space is used to check whether the character is your blank or not, and both method returns boolean value. Is it okay, Harshnath Jha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Something else, bachcho? Like
Sir, in
this
the
you can
program
ask your
which I
doubts.
sent in the
Pardon?
Sir, in the program which I sent you, sir, 2 consecutive duplicate numbers were replaced, but 3 consecutive were not.
Haan, so what I will tell you, that will work on all, in case all are consecutive, all are duplicates, then also it will work. I will show you. So can I start sharing my screen?
Okay.
34 of you have joined.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now going to share the screen. Have patience because this will take time, 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds you will get my screen on your computer. So now children, I am going to share my screen. Have patience. Is it visible?
No, sir. No.
This will come.
Now it has come.
Yeah, sometime it takes time
Sir, it
actually.
has come, sir.
Okay, so first of all, the question I am telling you, that is so what we are going to do? See, tell me one thing. Should I write the code first, then explain, or should I explain first, then write? What? Tell. Now see,
Code, sir.
code first.
The code, sir.
Shall you? I will do
Yes.
that. So now, in this question, I am simply inputting n number of terms in an integer array. Then we are creating a integer array of n size, right? Then after, we will ask from the user to enter number of terms, and now that number of terms we are asking from the user, so we will write here, right? And now in this program, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to delete all the duplicates. So please pay attention. The basic logic I will discuss first, then I will improve this logic. Now see, what we are going to do here. Everybody please pay attention. Ayush, Jayesh, Harshnath Jha, Kasaudan, Sarvagya, Pulkit.
Yes, sir.
Look at here.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, this is 2. 1, 2, 2, 2. 3 times I have put it 2, right? Now see the index number. So the resultant will be like this. 1, 2, 10 and 15. So here the value of n, the size is 4, and here it was 6, right? So now what we are going to do, please pay attention here. So first of all, we are simply starting a loop from 0 to less than the size. Then what we are going to do, we are starting a loop from 0 plus 1, means यहाँ से लेकर कहाँ तक, लास्ट एलिमेंट तक, means 1, 2, 3, sorry, not less than equals to, must be equals less than, right? Now see, this part is very, very important. So first of all, when you are extracting 1, so this 1 won't be there. So this part is not going to execute, right? Now come to the next point. When the value of I will be 1, this. Now j will be this. So this condition is true in the first case. Means 2 equals to 2. Both are correct. So what we are going to do? We are supposed to shift. So for that, start a loop from int k equals to j and less than equals to n minus 1. Why this? That I will show you after this. Look at here.
So less than n minus.
हाँ बेटा, wait, don't worry about this. Okay, so now what we are going to do, if this 2 and this 2 are same, so what we are going to do, we are starting a loop from this index number. In this index number, what we are going to do? In this, we are going to shift the next value. So this 2. So this 2 is going to replace the previous one. Is it clear, everybody? Then after this 10 is coming here. Then is 15 is coming here. Right? After that, what we are going to do? And now see, if you are not doing this n minus 1, less than n minus 1, that in that case, this has to replace with this, and this index number is not there. So 6 is not there. That is why we are starting a loop from j to less than n minus 1. And here we are getting the k plus 1. So in this case, 4 on 4 index number, we are shifting the value of 4 plus 1. And then after, the loop won't execute. Is that clear? Are you getting this? After that, what we are going to do? See, after that, that means one number we have deleted. After that, we need to reduce the value of n, that is n minus minus. And now see, after doing this, one more point is very, very important. Again, means again this I is remain 1. So this has to check from this point only, means from the second index number. And now from this, after completing this, your control will move here, and then j will be what? J will be 3. So this is not going to be checked again. So what we are supposed to do? Again, we are supposed to do j minus minus. Then program is done. So what will happen now? So j minus minus means again j is 2. So again this condition will be checked. AR of I, that is 1 equals to 2. Again the condition is 2, means again this and this both are true. So again this will happen, and again minus minus n, and again j minus minus, and next time this 2 and 10 both are not same, so this will move further. Is it okay, everybody? Now let me show you the output.
Yes.
I will post this program on your GCR also. Don't worry. The logic has to be clear. Now see. I hope the logic is clear, everyone. The concept is clear. Why we are doing n minus minus and j minus minus. That's very, very important point. There are some mistakes. The variables.
Sir, just can you please explain j minus minus?
Yes, why not? So let me check this.
Sir, can you explain why we have a just?
But I will explain. See, in this code, j minus minus is required because from the same position, from the same index number, again you need to check. And why we are doing? In case of consecutive duplicates, that has to be there, j minus minus. If j minus minus is not there, it will work. But in that case, if there are consecutive duplicates, then j minus minus is required. Is that clear, Shashwat Agrawal?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now, before that I am going to rub everything, then only you will understand the output. Okay, so we are inputting 6 terms, any number like this. See, Are you getting this output? 4 consecutive numbers I have given. 2, 2, 2, 2. Only one time it is coming in output. Okay? Let me show you one more variation.
Sir, where is the output, sir?
Better output has gone. I am showing you the different output, second output. Now see, if you have not entered any duplicates, Kasaudan, look at here. If there is no duplicates, then the output is coming as it is. This is the output 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4,
sir.
5.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Should I show you one more time the previous output?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Now please pay attention. 5 elements, 4 times we are inputting 2. So the output must be only 1 and 2. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes.
Kasaudan ji देखिए.
Yes, sir.
First is 1, then 2, then 2, then 2, then 2, and the output is coming
Yes, sir.
1 and 2. Horizontally we are printing. Is that clear, everybody?
1, 2.
Yes. So 3 times there were 4 twos, 4 duplicates.
Yes, sir.
So I have removed all 3 duplicates. Only one is coming, 2, that is. Right? I hope the logic is clear, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Something more?
Yes, sir.
So I am posting
Yes, sir.
I am posting this program in the GCR. You can cross check later also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, any other question you want to discuss? हाँ बच्चों, any other question you want to ask? Because now we have to start the revision. So now the next question I am going to give you. Should I give? Write down this. Please note down. For n terms. This is a very basic question. You have to print the sum of the following series. My screen is visible, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Please note down this question. Using function or without function is up to you. I want this solution. Now today onwards we are going to start a revision. In array we have done so many things. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. After that, one more program you have to try. My next question is, enter n integers in an integer array and print them in descending order without using any sorting technique.
Sir, can you please repeat the second question?
Yes, I am posting in the chat box. Wait. Both questions I have posted in the chat box. You can check it. Kasaudan, your first
Sir, I
question.
have posted the first program.
Yes, beta,
in the
that is
chat
correct.
box.
Yes, correct. Everybody, please listen. I have posted both questions in the chat box, and everybody has to do the both questions. Jayesh Khare, yes, correct, beta. Very good. Aryan Singh, Mansi Agrawal, please try everybody and don't copy and paste. I will discuss these questions. There are so many variations. This is one of the variation which Jayesh and Kasaudan has done. We can use nested loop also, or without that also. In a single loop also we can do. Post in chat box only. Hurry up, बच्चों. अंश चौधरी, बेटा अंश यस करेक्ट बेटा, वेरी गुड. Ansh Chaudhary, only the first question you have done, right? Try the second one also. That's a little bit tricky question. Everyone.
Sir, I was typing. Yes, sir.
Please. Rest of you try the first question. Atharv, Raghav. Akshara beta. Vishwesh Tiwari, please do it fast. First question.
Sir,
Sir, I posted my first program on DGR.
ओके वर्चस्व, ठीक है बेटा. बेटा नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑनवर्ड पोस्ट इन द चैट बॉक्स ओनली, राइट?
Okay, sir.
Because it gets hanged. Actually recording is happening, so while recording system gets slow. Who is this? Shashwat Agrawal. Yes beta. Rest of you please try. Say this Sigatia. Yes, correct beta. I think this will work. Very good. Rohan Jain. Beta Rohan, you are simply copying and paste. But this is correct. Try your logic. At least while copying and pasting, you can change the variables. Virtuous beta, it's not coming na. I am waiting for that. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Pratyaksh Gupta is having internet issue. Everybody has to try, then only I will discuss the first one. The second question थोड़ा सा आप लोग को लॉजिक इंप्लीमेंट करना ही पड़ेगा. Everybody has to try. Come on. Yashi, are you trying beta? Mansi, Athar? Do it fast. Done बच्चों? Come on. Okay, so I am going to share my screen. Now I think nobody is trying. Aditya, Shashwat, you have tried the first question?
I am just writing the last segment.
Suggest a minute.
No. I am just going to discuss the first question first. Okay? Those who are doing the array one, they can continue. Okay, now I am going to share my screen. Please have patience. Okay, is it clear everyone? Is it visible? My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now see, there are already one program I have done. So very small changes I am going to do. So now the series is C. In this is 1 and this is you can assume this series like this: 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Okay. So this is a simple one. Whenever you are getting this type of thing, you just derive it. So you are getting 1, 3, 6, 10. So for that, just declare some variable like s equals to s plus I, and then one more variable you can take like bs equals to bs plus s. That's all. And just declare that bs. So what is happening in this? Let me explain. So now s and bs both are initialized with 0. So now first of all what we are doing, 0 plus 1, 1. Sorry, this is 1. Then 1 plus 0, again 1. Next time what is happening? I will be 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. In S, see what we are doing. In S we are getting the terms, and in BS we are storing the result. So 3 plus 1, that is 4. Next time S would be 6 and BS would be 10. Right? So now let me show you the output. So if the number of terms are 3, then the output must be 10. And if it is 4, then the output must be 20. That first 3 terms and the sum of first 4 terms. So now see here, the number of terms we are inputting 3. So the output is coming 10. And at the same time, if you are executing this program and the number of terms you are inputting 4, so the output must be 20. I hope this one is clear. Got it? Got it? Now I am posting this program in the GCR.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Try the next question. Varchas beta, I have received your program just now.
The chat box.
Okay. Give me a minute. I will see it. Who has posted in chat box?
Sir, Kasaudan, sir.
Okay. Mr. Kasaudan, tell me the logic. बेटा क्या किया है तुमने? By this logic is not acceptable. It is very lengthy logic, and no sorting is allowed. Why are you using the sorting technique? The logic is different, you know. Tell me the logic.
We are just
Tell me. Very complicated logic. Somebody else?
okay, sir.
Try something else. Jayesh Khare.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Just 15.
Post in chat box only.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Okay, Jayesh. Wait.
The posted.
Wait. बेटा तुमने किया क्या ये?
So I have, like, this is, I have done this program that is what to duplicate quality and all things, but it's a bit complicated. So what I have done is that first I have taken the largest value in the array,
Yes.
then I have shifted it to position 0.
But don't do that. There is a very simple logic, you know.
From my loop.
See, listen. Whenever you are having this type of question, just try to implement very basic logic. Now see, let me tell you. First of all, in this question, listen everybody. Don't try now. This will be your homework. I am just explaining the logic, what you are supposed to do. Okay? So just chill, wait, relax. Let me share my screen again. I will tell you I will give you the hint. Then you need to implement that yourself. My screen is visible?
No. No, sir.
आएगी. Now it has come.
Not yet.
Okay, so I hope some are getting. See what we are supposed to do. Suppose you are having the array this. Whatever value you want, you can enter. It doesn't matter कि minus 100 is there or not. Any number, whatever you can think, right? So first of all, we will find the bigger and smaller, both numbers. Getting my point? So after finding these 2 points, so now you can easily understand that this is the bigger number and till this is smaller, you are having the numbers in the existing array. So now just start the loop from this to this, and then after the number of elements whatever you are having. Suppose this you are starting from I, and this loop you are starting with j less than n, whatever number of elements you are having. And every time, see, this is the basic logic which I am discussing here. If I means the natural number loop which starts from the biggest number. Getting my point? And why we are starting loop from the biggest? Because we need to print in descending order. If I equals to AR of J, अगर ये condition true है, then we are supposed to print what? Any value. You can print I, you can print AR. It's up to you only. You will get in descending order. Khatam. This is the basic logic. But before this condition, you need to find the largest and smallest. Am I clear, everybody? I hope this logic is clear, and this you need to implement yourself. Next time, in the next class tomorrow, I will see this and send it by tomorrow or by today 9 p.m. Then only I can see what you have done. If you are sending tomorrow, I cannot see.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, but any doubt? बच्चे,
Again.
why not? Is it okay? Should I explain again?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sapri, sir.
See, first of all, from the array, we
Yes,
are
sir.
finding the largest and the smallest. Got it? After finding the smallest and largest, now the maximum number is biggest, this, and the smallest is Sm. Now we are starting a loop, minus minus, starting from the largest to smallest. And the loop you can start with I equals to b, I is less than equals to greater than equals to Sm, and I minus minus. And that variable is supposed to check inside the array size. So using this loop, we are looking inside the array, and if the condition is true, then we are printing I, or you can print a of j also. What is the problem, beta? Very simple logic I have used. Everybody has to understand this. Got it? This program you have to do in your notebook. I will discuss the same question.
Got it.
Okay. Should I rub or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now, for today's class, this much is sufficient.
Yes.
So now we are ending today's class, okay? Thank you so much everyone. You can leave one by one.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.